Are you someone that wants to get into sport or a game that will help you as a student? If yes, the answer is chess. Did you know that chess will help you build life skills like creativity, verbal communication, reading comprehension, self discipline, self confidence, and sportsmanship? Plus, there's more. Without further ado, let's dive into reasons you need to play chess as a student. Stay with us till the end to find out one major chess tip that will help you to play better and beat your opponent. Ready? Number 1. Learn to win and lose. They say failure is your biggest teacher. Of course, everybody wants to win, but it is more vital to learn to accept defeat. As a phrase goes, sometimes you teach and sometimes you are taught. Chess is important for you to learn from your losses and improve as an individual. When faced with failure, we must rise back and come up back stronger and wiser, just like we do in life. Chess may teach a person how to win with grace, which is an essential characteristic. Number 2. The brain exercise. Chess is a full body mental exercise. It's no accident that the world's finest chess masters are also intelligent geniuses. I'm pretty sure as students you are training to be somebody with worthy knowledge in life. That's why chess is so important for your career. Chess engages the full brain, developing both the left and right hemispheres, which is essential for an all-round development. Number 3. Keeping focus. As Bobby Whisker said, chess demands total concentration. Now, as a student, you know how important it is to focus in class, during an exam, or even while studying. What better teacher than a game itself, right? A chess player can make moves like a grandmaster for 30 moves and then gets distracted on the 31st and make a silly mistake that loses the game. This intense focus is usual in everyday life when confronted with school assignments, daily tasks, and deadlines. We also have something for you. If you struggle with focus while studying, check out our video on how to study with intent focus. Number 4. Increases IQ level. Well, chess is a complete mind game and by now you would know that it is surely will make you smarter. But did you know that it can actually help you raise your IQ level as well? We've got a proof. A prior study in Venezuela found that children who regularly played chess had considerably higher IQ scores than those who did not play after only 4 months of engagement. This is more evidence that playing the game significantly boosts the child's cognitive quotient. This is surely your cue to begin playing the game if you haven't already. Number 5. Improves problem-solving skills. Problem-solving abilities are essential for you and you probably know that. So why chess? Well, for one, it stimulates your brain in a way that will help you perform well in all subjects, including math and science. It will teach you how to notice, evaluate, and solve issues is the most effective method and also instill independence, self-confidence, and maturity. It's a game that everybody molds you to be your best self as a student. Number 6. Develop creativity. You might think that chess is all about working the mind hard to be smart in theoretical subjects only. That's where you're wrong. Now friends, you'll know that chess is a creative booster. That's right. A quiet individual may play more cautiously, whereas an outgoing person may be a daring attacker in the game. The nice thing about chess is that it allows for a wide range of styles and personalities. In your own unique way, you may demonstrate your creativity via movements, strategies, and tactics you devise on the board. Speaking of tactics, don't forget we have one saved at the end of this video to help you level up your game. Number 7. Building confidence. Did you think chess is the only thing to help you win with studies? Well, you'd be surprised to know what the game can do. One major importance of the game is that it will help you boost confidence. Chess is all you. You put in the time studying, you put in the time competing, you spend the time analyzing your losses and finding your weaknesses. With all this work, a sense of confidence is developed. Even working through a tough period, chess development can help you boost reliance better at life. Speaking of confidence, you might be someone who's getting used to playing outside just your home. So if you're looking to learn the game of chess right from within your four walls, we've got a solution. Try Wise Move, where we can connect the way of natural teaching in this digital era by using your own tailored learning module approach. With this assistant, you can absolutely see yourself to be the next chess master. Link is in the description below. Moving on to the next reason why you should play chess. Number 8. Dealing with pressure. Remember the day you had a surprise test or looked at a question paper and felt the pressure of finishing it on time with correct answers? Not everybody deals with those situations well. If you're one of them, you don't have to worry about too much. Chess is here to the rescue. A heated game of chess in which you have given all your time is running out and you still must make important moves teaches you to remain cool under pressure. You must be intently concentrated while keeping calm for your brain to function well. Throughout our lives, we are confronted with deadlines, presentations, interviews, and assignments. To perform well, we must maintain our confidence and composure just like we have in chess game. With that, we come to the end of this video. No, we did not forget the exciting chess tip we owe you. Here we go. It's all about castling early. Castling is a move that allows you to move your king to safety and bring your rook into play. Once all the squares between your rook and the kings are unoccupied, you can move the king 2 squares forward, the rook, while it moves to the square on the king's other side. If your opponent doesn't move to castle, you might be able to launch an attack on his king. This is the only move in which more than one piece may be moved in a turn. Voila! You're now all set to learn, try and get your head in the game. Now that you know why you should be playing chess, it'll be great to share on some tips on how to go about the game. Communicate down below some ways to beat your opponent or also put down how chess helps you as a student. Stay tuned for more videos to grow as a student and ace in life. Till then, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends who think they will need these amazing facts. Thank you.